Hello again. All this trip is being fascinating and great indeed. We have moved along this path together and we are understanding even better the importance of teaching our children to read at an early age, and there is still more. Today Sarah will tell us how to use the reading method and what's it include. Let's go for it.
Parents love this because it gives them full instant access to all the training on their computer, smartphone, and tablet, giving you the ultimate flexibility of when and where your child can learn to read. For example, say you're driving to get an oil change. On your way to the mechanics, your child quietly sits in their seat as they watch one of the fun reading videos from your phone or tablet. Then, while in the waiting area, you can both complete one or more exercises from one of the enjoyable workbooks. While you were out running a single errand, your child has now completed their entire reading lesson for that day. The best part is, because you were both so engaged in reading Head Start, the time it took for your car's oil to be changed completely flew by. For other parents, waiting feels like an eternity as they struggle to keep their children under control. So, by now, you're probably more than a little curious about how much a complete reading system of this size is going to cost. After all, I don't have to tell you just how expensive educational textbooks, special assessments, and learning material cost these days. It's outrageous, am I right? Now, the complete Reading Head Start system has a combined value of well over $497, but the good news is, you won't even pay a smidgen of that today. In fact, when you see just how much Reading Head Start is discounted right now, through this limited time video only, you'll be rubbing your eyes in disbelief. But more on all that in just a second. I'm going to also sneak in some incredible free bonuses along with the Reading Head Start system, but only for a limited time. Check these out. The first guide's called Incredible Reading Shortcuts, a $47 value that I'm not supposed to be just giving away like this. But here I am, including it for free to only the next few who get their hands today on Reading Head Start. In this guide, I'll show you powerful reading shortcuts that'll help quickly lock words deep in your child's mind. With this one bonus guide alone, you'll notice a huge boost in how fast your child picks up reading and how much simpler it becomes for them to move forward with even more advanced words. My second free gift for you today, for a limited time only, is the Fun with Words book series that your child is going to go absolutely crazy for. This is a series of books designed to be fun to read, yet with each new book in the series, your child is unknowingly advancing their reading capabilities forward. This is the perfect bonus for introducing your child to the joy of reading books. Once they're done with one book, they'll be eager to start the next. This book series alone is valued at $67, yet only through this video you're watching now, I'm going to include it free when you get your hands on Reading Head Start today. And there's even more. Once you log into the My Head Start members area today, your child will love you forever as they discover endless interactive reading games that'll keep them amused and learning for months. This award-winning game series was designed and collaborated with leading academics and takes your child on a reading adventure like no other. While you and I both know this game's a learning tool, your child will only think it is pure fun. This game is completely online, so it requires no discs or downloading, working with both Windows and Mac computers. Again, yours completely free and can instantly be played by your child in the My Head Start members area today. So, with all 4 levels of Reading Head Start, each level jam-packed with easy-learn reading videos, enjoyable workbooks, along with endless pages of fun reading exercises and games that you know your child is going to absolutely love. Plus, the incredible Reading Shortcuts Guide, Fun with Words children's book series, and lifetime access to the My Head Start members area, jam-packed with the entire course online and award-winning interactive word games. It's easy to see how this complete bundle could run you well over $497 retail. Remember, you're not investing anywhere near that today, though yet even at that price, it would be a steal considering the secret cost of not using Reading Head Start. Watching your child not succeed in school is something I never wish upon any parent. Your child's confidence goes completely down the drain, and unfortunately, that can stick with them for life. You find that your child comes home from school each day, quiet, head down, and with a defeated look on their face. And in the back of your mind, that image you have of them one day being handed their diploma as you clap proudly in the audience starts to blur and slowly fade away altogether. If you let it get to that point, your only option left is expensive after-school tutoring that'll literally run you hundreds of dollars each week. With no guarantees it will ever be enough by that time to significantly raise your child's grades. The good news is, that doesn't have to be your child's reality, because you made the correct decision right now to get your hands on Reading Head Start. Remember in the beginning of this presentation how it mentioned that the school board and education system is doing everything in their power to pull this video down at any moment? Well, I want to get my Reading Head Start system in the hands of as many parents and children possible before that ever happens. That's why you're not going to pay the $497 this system and bonuses should retail for. In fact, you're not even going to pay half of that at $250. Heck, you're not even going to pay anywhere near half of that at $125. Now, I'm sure you agree this offer is of undeniable value, and I know you're ready to get started right now. However, before you do, as a special thank you for watching this limited time presentation and making the decision Reading Head Start is a must-have for your child, I'm going to go and do you even one better if you act fast now. For the next 1,000 people only, you're going to get immediate access to everything for a single secure investment of $1 to start. Only $1. Now, I know you're stunned because this tiny investment in your child's future is now way less than the price of a backpack you'd send them off to school with. Hold on a second, because I'm not done. I insist on even taking this a step further for you, because I know what you've seen and heard here today can seem almost unbelievable to someone who hasn't actually experienced the power of Reading Head Start yet for themselves. And because I know your child will get similar jaw-dropping results just as thousands before you have, I will not only promise you results, I will guarantee it. You're backed by my ironclad 365-day triple guarantee. Number 1, if for any reason, or even no reason, you're not satisfied with Reading Head Start at any point within the next 365 days from now. Or, number 2, if you're not blown away by the enjoyable, life-changing results that Reading Head Start promises to deliver for your child. And finally, number 3, as a fun challenge, even if 1 year from today, your child can't easily read the word guarantee right off of this page, simply email me personally at sarah@readingheadstart.com and I'll issue you a prompt and full, no questions asked refund, all without any hard feelings whatsoever. Plus, go ahead and keep all those bonuses I'm giving you today for free as a thank you for just giving it a shot. Sounds more than fair, right? So you now have absolutely nothing to lose, and there's nothing standing in your way from trying Reading Head Start right now today.
Remember to review your mailbox tomorrow. I think Sarah is going to make a great invitation to you. See you then.